Hello, this is HUADAI from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time we have a box from Corte Inglés and we have a VR for you guys. So here we go. We have a lovely box from Corte Inglés here. Delivery was fast in this case. Here something to break the pack. Okay. We have to break off this box. Lovely. If you're in Spain, surely you know Corte Inglés is one department store. Without any further ado, I'm gonna take this off. See here, lovely, the box of Meta Quest 3 inside with some protection bag. Let me take this out, the headset from the middle. Here we go, beautiful headset. Meta Quest 3, the box here, 4K, 512 gigabytes of internal storage, better than the other version, more information written. This side also some warning you can see at the top. Detailed information, Meta Quest 3 headset, white color, standard facial interface, pre-installed to Meta Quest Touch Plus controller, 2 AA battery included, 2 wrist strap, pre-installed, USB 3 power adapter, USB 3 charging cable. So everything included in the pack. If you're missing anything, you have to ask for the company where you bought. This beautiful looking box. Meta Quest 3 is right away. You can see beautiful packaging. This box is beautiful. I'm gonna take this off from here. Lovely. Wow, this box is better. Here you see one scan and one plastic here to protect the glass, something as a hard or cardboard, something as that, taking out the joystick. Beautiful. It's similar as a 3S, no big difference. You can see here infinity button, that Meta button, joystick, this controller, one button here, and you have to take this off while using to use the battery. And here you have one button. If you click, can take out. You see how it is inside. Beautiful battery inside. I wish it should be a charging battery, but it's not a charging battery. Okay, this is one. We have another. This one is similar, the same. Here the button right a little bit differ, 3 lines, that means setting, if I am not wrong. Everything is similar. Okay, let's go to the headset here. Lovely. Inside we have more things. Before here, something as a box I noticed. Here we go. I'm taking this off. Wow, many things I feel inside. Take this off. Okay, here we go. We have USB-C port charger adapter. Lovely. Here more things. USB-C to C, nothing fancy. You can charge with your iPhone charger, Samsung charger, any other phone charger. So this is good. We have one catalog, literature, lovely small book, and more. We have here other instruction, other manuals. So these are coming all in the pack. So let me show you the headset, guys. Beautiful. You see here the sensor. This is more smaller, lighter than Meta Quest 3S. That is more bigger, the size. Here you see how it is. Take this off from the middle. This is stripe. Can see 2 plastic cover the lenses inside. One more sensor for your nose. At the bottom here you can adjust the lens with that, if I'm not wrong. You see the lens is moving. If I can show you this, lovely. Here you have some sensor. This is volume rocker button, up and down, if I'm not wrong. More sensor, one here, another here. This is power button, if I'm not wrong. In this case you have USB-C port for charging. Beautiful device. The Meta logo here at the top. One thing is missing, is not coming with a hood that you could adjust a lens if you're using glass. That is not. 3S has something as that. So this is missing something here. Lovely. See the lens here, lovely, beautiful. It has 512 internal storage, 4K vision in this case. You can add 3.5, so this is a 3.5 millimeter jack hole. So in this case you can add also external speaker, also you can add Bluetooth speaker. So this is more prepared version than the 3S. Lovely stripe, you can see, you can adjust. As you know, if you are coming with 3S, you can use this one very easily. More detail you see here, pattern of the cotton, very soft, gentle. This is stripe from the top. You can make it different way, you can adjust it. If I take this off from here, you can adjust the size according to your head. Lovely. Here you have one line, lovely. So you hit the power button, it will start. Lovely guys, you see the cushion here, very soft. This is very compact set, better than 3S. Obviously this is more premium price. You can see how it is, the lens inside the plastic. If I take this off, you can see how the lens inside, guys. This is a pancake lens, if I'm not wrong in this lens is better. Save this plastic in case if you need to change, replace. So save them in secure place, because if you are not happy with that, if you have any problem, you have to return. So for that, so don't throw, don't destroy anything for the future. Okay, so here, lovely, the power button, this is supposed to be, I'm hitting power button to see they come pre-charged. I can show you exactly, you can see something of metal, can listen sound as well. So headset is getting ready. In this case you have to take out this plastic, you can pull it out, or more gently you can press this button here, release this, then you can pull more easily out, and save this one in case if you want to change. The same purpose, put back this one and put inside, lock this one. Lovely, this is ready. Can do the same to other one. Perfect. Now you have to set up with your MetaQuest application. You have to download at your phone and go on and enjoy this product. Here you can see one light, that means it's working. So in my next video, I'm gonna do a complete setup of this product, all pros and cons, everything we're gonna talk about. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.